Here we have been asked to solve a logarithmic equation. Notice that there is at least one term in the equation that does not contain a log. That means the general idea is try to convert the logarithm into an exponential equation. Before we can do that, in this case, there are two logs that must be combined. Remember that if you have the sum of two logs, you can combine that as the log of the product of the two arguments. And so you would combine the log of x plus log of x plus 3 as a single log and then multiply the arguments x and x plus 3. Doing this, I'm able to maintain a single log on the left-hand side. Once we've done that, the understood base on this log is 10, and so to convert this to an exponential equation, we would do 10 raised to the first equals the argument. So 10 to the first power equals x times x plus 3. 10 to the first is just 10, and then on the right-hand side we want to distribute the x's. So we would have x squared plus 3x. Now, to solve this equation, notice that it's a quadratic equation, so we want to subtract the 10 to the right-hand side so that we get 0 on the left. So we'd have 0 equals x squared plus 3x minus 10. And then we would want to factor. So here we could do an x and an x, and then factors of negative 10 that add to positive 3 would be positive 5 and negative 2. To solve, set each of these equal to 0. So here x would equal negative 5, and here x would equal positive 2. Now remember that when you're solving a logarithmic equation, you must make sure that the arguments of the original logs are positive. So go back and just copy down your original logs. It was log of x plus log of x plus 3 equals 1. Well, we can see if we take this value and substitute it in for the argument, that results in a negative argument. And I cannot take logs of negative values. So this value is out. We have to eliminate it. Take the 2, substitute it in here. That one is positive, so it's good. Here, if we take the 2 and substitute it in here, this would result in 2 plus 3, which is also equal a positive value. So the 2 is our only good solution.